Right there. Nice.
I wake up every minute with the fever dreams. I push my mind to a limit where it needs to be. I work blind, got vision I don't need to see. I'm picking mind over matter, I believe in me. I need to find more hours in the day to breathe. Need to find more power in the way I be. And when my mind turns sour with the painful scene,
God, I'm gonna set this thing up.
I wanna be the greatest like me. So I leave them all hits like a hobby. I'm out here making moves like a zombie.
And I'm getting sick.
Me and you I see. I got my mind on the facts. I'm a python, grab what I like real fast. So until I have everything I attack, everything that I lack, everything that I want, and I see, matter of fact.
Cause I'm my own worst enemy. Only if I let it be. I can control anything if I can just think carefully. I control my destiny.
This is one of our deep cuts. I'm hoping Verstappen wins, honestly. Deal with it. I'm Team Verstappen until we get an American nigga in there and try to challenge him. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoy your weekend. Thank you so much for coming today, kind of early, and watching us play some music. I hope that you guys have a safe weekend. Take care of each other this weekend, okay? Would you take care of each other?
This is me laying on the track.
You're so extra.
Yeah, thanks too. Don't hurt yourself.
All right, guys. Anybody else here want water, want beer, Spike Seltzer?
Yeah. I got it. Got it covered. Got it covered.
I got something to prove. I gotta take what I hate and finally make a move. I think of you and all the shit you don't do. Well, I'ma make hella shit that I don't understand. Everything I do the best. And deep within my mind, you know I'll always manifest it.
Hi guys! It's drizzling on race day. See how this goes.
Become you. I have no regrets, yeah, I'll tie up my chest. I'll never forget what it's
gotta go
turn
all
this
the way
life
around.
into something that you could never own. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you could never own. So fight and die for the things you know you love. Do what you think
just
is
disappeared.
right, and see life do what you want. So fight and die for the things you know you love. Do what you think is right, and see life do what you want. So give me all the scars, I'm a human being. Cover them with tattoos so you can't see. Knew it from the start, you had problems with me and the things I could be, I just wish I had seen. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got
Here he comes.
That last lap combination of spectators, skill, for another half a second. There's still time, and there is still detail to this particular race. We always seem to find it that way here in Austin. Because there are so many plentiful overtakings, even places where there isn't the obvious overtaking. Saw Verstappen up the inside one time a few years ago. That really made a mark, for sure.
run away, I don't have to plan it. I can go chase my fate, you won't understand it. All alone, that's okay, people I can't stand that. They don't want me to change, keep me where I'm standing.
Wow, that was awesome.
I don't wanna be.
Max Verstappen on his way to victory. The championship leader will beat the world champion of so many times.